In this session, we're going to see how to solve an equation with variables on both sides. But first, let's take a look at our helpful hint. Be sure to collect and combine like terms on each side of the equation before you perform any other steps. Now let's try solving an equation using some of the hints from our helpful hint. We have 8x minus 2 minus x equals 3x minus 9 minus 10x. I'm going to start by circling my equal sign. I'm doing this so we can follow the suggestion of combining like terms on each side of the equal sign. By having the circle here, it makes it real clear that this is one side of the equal sign, this is the other. So on this side, I have to combine my 8x and my x. Writing a 1 here may help you see how to do this, because now we have 8x and a negative 1x gives us 7x minus 2. Now we have equals. Now we're going to work on this side of the equal sign. You have 3x minus 10x minus 7x minus 9. Now we're ready to solve our equation. Since most students like their x on the left side of the equation, I'm going to rewrite the problem and add 7x to both sides of the equation. So I have minus 7x plus 7x minus 9. And so on this side I have 7x plus 7x minus 2. Now let's talk about this step. Why did I choose to add 7x to both sides of the equation? Well, since I wanted my x's on the left side of the equation, I could see that a minus 7x and a positive 7x gives me 0 minus 9. And when I add my 7x and 7x, I get 14x minus 2. And my x's were on the left-hand side. You can do the similar thing and end up with your x's on this side, but I find that most students at this level like to have their x's on the left. Now, of course, this equals minus 9. You have 14x minus 2 equals minus 9. Now we're going to add 2 to both sides of the equation. So we have 14x minus 2 plus 2. Now remember, because I add plus 2 to the left side of the equation, I still have to add it to the right side of the equation. And we end up with 14x equals negative 7. We divide both sides by 14. And we get x equals negative 1/2. Notice I reduced the fraction before I wrote the final answer. So, collect all your terms on each side of the equation before you begin. Decide which side of the equation you want your x on. And then check your answer.